Did Bruce Lee invent MMA? The influence that Bruce Lee had on action movies is immeasurable. Bruce made fight scenes that were never seen before. Bruce also changed the martial arts. Before him, a particular style was too much concentrated on its own fight patterns. Bruce took the best techniques of all different combat styles and combined it into his own style, jeet kune. The film Enter the Dragon from 1973 had an impact on mixed martial arts. In the opening fight scene where Lee fights Sammo Hung, Lee demonstrated elements of what would later become known as MMA. Both fighters wore what would later become common mixed martial arts clothing items, including kempo gloves and small shorts. And the fight ends with Lee utilizing an armbar to submit Hung. Back in the 1970s, an armbar was only used in judo and jiu-jitsu. According to the UFC Hall of Fame fighter Uriah Faber, that was the moment that MMA was born.